Most of the damage that we saw tonight in Muskego and behind us, this is the local post office where delivery trucks were just blown all around. We've seen snapped trees. We've seen an air conditioning unit even blown off the rooftop. Our drive included lightning and thunder, heavy rain and hail. Now just waiting for the sunlight to come back up and they can assess all the damage nearby. In Muskego, Jason Newton, WISN 12 News.